This kind of question is not about trigonometric only. We have to combine with the algebraic techniques. And you can see the question A, B, C, D, E here. It's a little bit complicated because the left hand side and right hand side, you have the two different trigonometric function. Question A, you got tan Q and minus tan here. And the first step for question A, I think you should factorizing this one first. Because you can understand tan Q is mean tan of theta multiply tan square of theta and minus tan theta like this one. And factorizing, you have the common factor is tan theta multiply open bracket tan square theta minus 1. And from this equation, you will got two solutions. The first one is the one of these factor of these two factor equal to 0, and the other one is other bracket tan square minus 1 equal to 0. And okay, we call here is equation 1, and the second equation will be here. For the first, you got tan theta equal to 0. This means here is tan of 0, and you got the radian for unit angle. And theta will become to 0 plus pi times k, and 0 to 2 pi is mean k here and theta here cannot be negative, so k have to be at least 0 or positive integer. You got 0 here, this one will be equal to 0, and for here you got 1 is pi here and 2 is 2 pi here. Yeah, that's it. We have three solutions for the first equation. And the second equation, you got two options. You got tan square theta equal to 1 is mean one more time you have to divide this become to two equations. The first, you got tan theta equal to 1, and the second one you got tan theta equal to minus 1. And for the first equation, tan theta equal to 1, this means theta have to be equal to pi over 4 plus pi times k. And for this equation, I think it's quite short. You only have two possible values for k. The first one is 0. Theta will be pi over 4, and the second one is 1. This means 5 pi over 4 because you got 2 for k. This means the theta will be larger than 2 pi. So we cannot take the value for k equal to 2. The second, tan theta equal to minus 1. This means theta equal to minus pi over 4 and plus pi times k here. And then we cannot take the value for k equal to 0 because when k equal to 0, you got the value of theta will be negative. Yeah, that's why you cannot take this result. And for 1, yes, 3 pi over 4. And how about 2? I think that is possible. 2, you got 7 pi over 4. So how many solutions of theta you will got in this equation? You will have here is 0, pi, 2 pi, pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and the last two, 3 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4 by this writing. Yeah, that is question A. You can see that? Yeah, it's not easy. Question B, how about tan and sine? You cannot convert from tan to sine because you have no formula, trigonometric formula about this conversion. So I will using algebraic. I can see that tan minus sine theta will be here. I move sine from right to left, and then what is tan? You got tan equal to sine theta over cos. This one is sine theta equal to 0, and now you can see the common factor is tan theta. Here is 1 over cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. This is corresponding to two solutions. Tan theta first, and the second one is 1 over cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah, this is 1 and this is 2. Tan sine theta equal to 0. Sine equal to 0 is mean you will got theta equal to 0 plus pi k, or you only have pi k like here. And the table value between k and theta, 0, yes, 0, 1, okay, 2, I think that is possible. Yeah, 2 pi belonging to this interval. The first one we done, and the second one, 1 over cos theta minus 1 equal to 0 is mean 1 over cos equal to 1. And it's quite easy for subject cos theta equal to 1. And the theta, the formula for theta will be 0 plus 2 pi k. 2 pi k here. And k and theta, 0, of course, 1, yes. How about 2? No, because 2 here you got 4 pi. This cannot be the right answer. And you have 0 and 2 pi at the same solution with the first equation. So for this question, you only have 3 value or 3 solution. 0, pi, and 2 pi. That is question B. Okay. A little harder about question C. A little harder. Sec and cosec. All of these two will be the double angle. So this has effect to your result. Let's try this out. I don't want to work with sec or cosec. I want to work with sine and cos only. So I will convert sec become to 1 over cos of 2 theta, and the other side will be 1 over sine of 2 theta, like this one. This means you will got 2 reciprocal of both of these equivalent fraction. Cos 2 theta equal to sine of 2 theta, like this one. And from here, the left hand side you got cos and the right hand side you got sine. And I can convert this one become to only one solution, only one trigonometric function. Sine 2 theta here will be equal to cos of pi over 2 minus 2 pi, like this one. Complementary relationship, yes. And from this you can convert this, or you can using the formula of sine cosine equation. The first one you will have this, and the second one you will got the opposite angle of this one, opposite, and then add to 2 pi times k. 2 pi times k, like here. Now you can see that I will move negative 2 theta from right hand side to left hand side. That become to 4 theta equal to pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. And the next step, you got theta equal to pi over 8, because pi over 2 divided by 4 one more time, you got over 8. And 2 divided by 4, you got over 2. So pi k divided by 2 here. How about the next one? I think that will be no solution. I will expand this bracket. You got the minus sign outside this bracket is mean minus 1. Minus 1 times pi over 2 minus pi over 2 plus 2 theta here plus 2 pi k. So you got 2 theta for both these sides. So here equal to 0. This one is equal to 0. So I think this cannot be the right answer. No solution for this equation. You have only this formula. And now make the table between k and theta. About k and theta, k equal to 0. I think that's possible, right? Pi over 8. And how about 1 here? 5 pi over 8. How about 2? 9 pi over 8, that is possible. How about 3? Multiply by 3, you will got 13 pi over 8. Okay, one more. How about 4? 7 pi 4 here, you got 70 pi over 8. It means this is larger than 2 pi. So this cannot be the right answer. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions for question C here. Yeah.